Los Angeles. This isn't just a city, it's an industry. Hollywood, creators, agencies, production studios, a machine built on thousands of moving parts. But something is changing. AI isn't coming for the spotlight. AI is moving backstage, into the systems, into the workflows, into editing, into planning. And over the next 5 years, many jobs in Los Angeles won't disappear overnight, but demand could shrink quietly. So today, we're breaking down 8 LA jobs that could shrink because of AI and automation, and exactly why it's happening in the real world. Let's begin. Job number 1, entry-level video editors. Los Angeles is a content city. YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikTok, brand campaigns, agencies. And for many entry-level editors, the job is simple. Cut clips, remove silence, add captions, basic color correction, clean audio. But AI tools are now automating a huge part of that. Auto cuts, auto captions, auto B-roll suggestions, one-click audio cleanup. Professional editors will still exist, but entry-level editing roles could shrink fast because one person using AI can now do the work of 3. Job number 2, entry-level social media coordinators. In Los Angeles, brands and agencies live on social media, but entry-level social media work often means writing captions, choosing hashtags, scheduling posts, reporting analytics, and AI can do most of that. It can generate content ideas, write captions in seconds, optimize hashtags, suggest the best posting time. Social media jobs won't disappear, but entry-level openings could shrink. Job number 3, administrative and scheduling assistants. In LA, scheduling is everything. Talent agencies, production teams, real estate offices, clinics, meetings, calendars, email inboxes, reminders. And a lot of this work is repetitive. AI tools can now manage scheduling automatically. They can summarize emails, draft replies, schedule meetings, and send follow-ups. So here's the shift. Assistants won't vanish, but instead of 5 assistants, companies may only need 2. Job number 4, basic graphic design for ads and content. In Los Angeles, not every design job is high-end creative work. A lot of it is basic. Posters, flyers, banners, social ads, thumbnails, and AI design tools can now create dozens of variations instantly instead of waiting days. A brand can generate 30 designs in one afternoon. Creative directors will still exist. High-end branding will still exist, but basic entry-level design roles could shrink. Job number 5, customer support roles in entertainment and streaming. Los Angeles is the heart of entertainment. Streaming platforms, events, ticketing, subscriptions, brand support. But most customer support questions are repetitive. Password resets, subscription changes, booking updates, AI voice agents, and AI chat systems can handle these requests instantly. No breaks, no sick days, and at a fraction of the cost. This job won't vanish overnight, but the number of openings could shrink. Job number 6, low-end voiceover and simple narration gigs. LA has a huge voiceover industry, but not every voice gig is premium Hollywood work. Many are low-budget ads, explainer videos, and background narration, and those roles are already being replaced by AI voice tools. AI is cheaper, faster, and can deliver unlimited revisions. Top voice actors will still exist, but smaller voiceover gigs could shrink fast. Job number 7, extras casting coordination and background booking. Los Angeles runs on productions, and productions run on background actors, extras, background casting, scheduling, matching faces to roles. And this system is already being automated. I can help match profiles, schedule people, and manage coordination work faster. This won't erase the industry, but coordination roles may shrink over time. Job number 8, travel booking and basic planning roles. Los Angeles is a tourism-heavy city. Flights, hotels, events, tours, weekends in LA. But basic travel planning has moved to apps, and now AI assistants can build full itineraries in seconds. Travel won't disappear, but basic booking roles could shrink quietly. Now here's the message to remember. Los Angeles work isn't ending. It's evolving. AI isn't replacing people with robots. It's replacing people with workflows, quietly. And this shift will hit entry-level jobs the hardest. The jobs that are repetitive, the jobs that are digital, the jobs that can be scaled instantly. So here's my question for you. Out of these 8 LA jobs, which one feels the most vulnerable? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want more real city-based videos about the future of work, subscribe to QuietShift.